By the end of this video, you will be able to download and install plugins that you can use in Roblox Studio for the games that you're creating. Now, plugins are going to add functionality for your developing when you're making the games in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. So you want to have Roblox Studio open, and you can see I'm working on a game here, and I've got a couple objects in there. Now, in order to find the plugins, there are two ways that you can do this. The first way is to go to Home, and then click on Toolbox, and then the toolbox is going to show up on the left-hand side. And now typically what you see is the models, but if you go to Toolbox and then click on the models, you will see there's one for plugins. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on plugins, and now it's going to show the plugins that are available that I can download and then install on Roblox Studio. So you can see there are, some of the more popular ones, Moon Animator, and then ones that, load character avatars and so forth. So let's go ahead and find one. And I'm going to go ahead and click on, let's say, this waterfall generator. And then if you have any questions about this plugin before you install it, you can click on this these dots right here and then just click on View in Browser. And it will open up Roblox.com for that plugin. And you can either click Install from Roblox.com or you can install it from your Roblox Studio. Now, this will give you a description of the plugin, as well as any other information you might want to know. And you can see how many times it's been upvoted versus downvoted. So again, you want to make sure it's a safe plugin. So typically you want to see more upvotes than downvotes. So I'm going to go ahead and click Install. And now it's going to install onto my Roblox Studio. And once it's installed, what I want to do is go to Plugins. And now you can see the plugins will show up over here in the right-hand side here. So the Generate Waterfall plugin is installed. So in order to use the plugin, then I'm just going to go ahead and click on that, and then it will show me the different things that I've available, the different options I have available to me for that plugin. And again, what the plugins are going to do is add functionality to your game development. What it does really is saves you time. Instead of having to do certain things yourself over and over again. Some of these make it quicker for you to do that. And in order to manage your plugins, what you want to do is click on Manage Plugins on the left-hand side, and you can see the plugins that I have currently on Roblox Studio. And if you want to, disable that from the menu up there, all you need to do is just click this button here, and now you can see it disappeared. I want to re-enable that. And if you want to delete a plugin, just click on these dots here, and then you can uninstall the plugin as well. So that's the first main way that you can do the plugin. Again, the other way to install a plugin is to go straight to Roblox.com. And when you're in Roblox, you can click on Create, and then you can go to Library. And once you're in Library, you can go to Plugins. And once you're in Plugins, it's the same options that you saw in Roblox Studio just a second ago. But the nice thing about this one is you can sort by different things. I can sort by relevance, most favored, best-selling, and recently updated. And that's something you'll want to do pretty frequently. When you're in Roblox Studio, you will want to make sure that when you go to manage plugins, that typically there'll be a button that shows up here when you need to update, and you'll want to make sure to update frequently so that you don't have any problems with the plugins.